What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. We miss you. It's been it's been what, 2 weeks? Tagal ah. Nico here
Oh
with Mario
no.
and Graham. And
Kailan
what
yung last?
ate? I don't remember.
Last week lang, last week lang,
Last
bro.
week lang ba? It's been that long. Sanay kasi tayo na everyday na may nangyayari. Kaya parang yung 1 week felt like parang isang buwan kami nagre-record ah.
Kailan
Pero
ka last
yeah,
week?
Yeah.
Oh,
What's the last episode?
I don't remember.
Oh, the San Beda episode.
8 days
But
ago,
Um,
yeah.
still
yeah, 1 week
haven't
nga
still don't
lang.
have an update to that, by the way.
Wala
San
pa,
Beda
wala pa.
to the UAP.
Let's see,
But
let's
yeah.
see. Anyway, wild ang pagbabalik natin is because of that QMB news. More of he said, she said ngayon, yung nangyayari ngayon. Especially na sumasabog yung topic ngayon na people are saying na, oh, ito yung pinaka nakikita kong comments Ino-observe ko lang na comments. I'm not saying this is our opinion. Was that QMB used Gilas Pilipinas to achieve a local status para kunin siya sa Japan as an Asian import, no? To secure basically his job for the next decade or so. And sa mga lumalabas na reports ngayon, from what we have seen, it's much deeper than that. Ang dami nangyayari behind the scenes. Again, yung he said, she said, the agent said this. Sabi ni SBP ganito. So I think we're gonna go through all our options, no, guys. We're gonna share all the options that what could be the possible reason on why QMB chose not to play for Gilas. Because yung sabi lang ni Coach Tim, yung sabi niya na, oh, he just chose not to play for us. That's I won't say it's a cop-out eh. I think that's even, I would even say it's bad PR to say that. Pero I think he just doesn't want to discuss it. Kasi sinabi na lang, he just doesn't want to play. Knowing Coach Tim, he just wants to focus on the guys that are on the floor right now. Shout out to Balti for welcome back after how many years, no? Welcome back, Balti. Water under the bridge na. But before we go to Balti, for me, I think number one reason, guys, is hindi nagtutugma. Again, ano lang to, our opinion, it could be my opinion. Hindi
Speculation.
nagtutugma yung gusto ni QMB ng agent or gusto ng agent or ni QMB sa demands ng SBP. Because we have seen an explanation na, what do you call this? It says na basically the SBP lowballed them daw. And there was a take it or leave it offer. So, ang gulo, let's talk about it. Let's see what could be the possible reason. Let's first start with the agent and Q. Where are we at dun sa reason na yan, Mario?
Bro, in my opinion, man, I don't know how agents work. I'm so sorry. That's not really my
I just know they get a
forte.
5% cut. There's a 5%
Yeah,
cut.
some get 5, some get 10, some get, I don't know. Rich Paul is hella rich because
Oh,
of
that's
LeBron.
different. Yeah. But this one's
So,
5
I don't
lang.
know.
From what I know, it's
To be fair though,
5%.
5% of LeBron's contract is gigantic. But anyway, I doubt an agent can have that much say in somebody's contract if they say yes or no. But at the same time, I'm a little surprised that the reason why QMB won't play is because of mere money alone. I doubt it. I truly doubt that's the only reason. Because man, some players want to really play for the country. Dude, I'm not here to take a dump on QMD, man. But
No, we're
if
just basing
players
on
like
what we
yeah,
see right now. Yun lang
yeah,
naman.
but
We're not taking a dump at anyone.
if players like Dwight Ramos can play, and if I'm assuming Dwight doesn't get paid that much either. I don't see much reason for Q not to play in that aspect. And not to defend the SBP, but I don't know how much they actually offer these guys per game.
Walang ano sa atin. Wala tayong visibility doon. For sure.
Yeah, I
Oo.
remember before I saw an article na I forgot who it was. I think it was RSA who yeah, no, another one, I'm sorry. Al Francis Chua who said na, oh, these guys are playing even if they're barely earning. But I think it was after yung SEA Games gold yung kay Brownlee against China. I think
Yeah.
that was when he said it. But so there are really those type of players who want to play the game even if they barely earn money. Man, these players, brother QMB earns so much in Japan. Okay, like you don't just get that money out of nowhere. So I really don't think money is the usapan here. I don't know why. I don't know what the other reason could be, but I really doubt it's money because alam naman natin, men, sponsors ng SBP pa lang. It's not like they don't have money, man. SBP, brother, they can afford to pay their guys. So I doubt it. I think there's something else that's happening aside from it talaga, because I doubt it's just about the money.
Oh, Graham, nasaan ka dito?
Bro,
Nasaan ka dito sa lahat ng
yung
conversations that you see around right now?
yeah, bro, I get yung money na kasi hindi naman to yung mga tao lang na sa kalye na will play for free, di ba?
Yeah.
These guys, this is their bread and butter, di ba? Ito yung kabuhayan nila. So I understand demanding for money, but if it's for a ridiculous amount, then if I'm SBP, you're just you're QMB. We can still easily have Junmar Fajardo, although he in the international stage hindi nga ganun aganda yung pinakikita recently. But if the GOAT of Philippine basketball is not demanding that much, then
Yeah.
it will be a problem if Quentin Melora Brown, who we realize yung potential is really, really high, pero halos wala pa napapatunayan for the national team or even for Philippine basketball outside of helping UP
Championship
win
with
season
UP.
8-7, di ba?
Yeah.
So asking for a big amount, it's like me being a new hire and then 2 months later saying, boss, I want a 10% raise or I want a 20%
Just
raise.
because
What have you
just
done for me
because you
lately?
did a good project. Just because naka-good
Oo,
project
di ba?
ka lang na isa. Which he did
I
nung
mean, for
previous
sure.
window, di ba? I think they're like,
Yeah, I mean,
7 and 9? There are 2 blocks?
Dude, I'm
right?
not gonna lie. Like, I understand kasi sa Japan yung contracts nila doon are a bit different. And Q just signed his first time in Japan, right? So there is, I guess, an injury risk or whatever that I don't know. We saw that online, diba? And I'm sorry for transitioning to the next whatever, but we saw it online that there was something like, oh, they wanted him to play in a non-sanctioned um tournament or whatever. Again, I just truly doubt it. Kasi yung mga non-sanctioned tournaments, man, we I mean like the other tournaments, we don't really send out our big guns sometimes, man. Like only FIBA sanctioned tournaments are the ones where our big names play. Carl, KQ.
This is a FIBA sanctioned tournament. So it
Exactly.
counts. Yeah.
So yeah, I saw
Australia,
Kasi
somebody
yung mga
Zealand
SEA
pa.
Games, yung mga SEA Games yung inaano natin di ba? Yung mga may nire-relegate tayong
bro, may
ibang
nag-post kasi na
players.
parang ano daw na they want him to play in non SB what's it called, FIBA tournaments. But again, I doubt it because they've made the deals with other players before.
Yeah, I
They've made
doubt.
deals
Yeah, but
for Dwight, Carl, KQ, who else is in Japan and Korea?
AJ Edu.
AJ Edu, they've made deals with them where it's only FIBA. So I don't know why. I doubt they'd change their mind all of a sudden. I thought they changed their mind all of a sudden for QMB. Oh no, if it's you, we want you to play in unsanctioned ones. Like what? I doubt it. I really doubt it. I think it just hurts a bit more because admittedly, I don't think Coach Tim handled the release of that news quite well. Or I don't think he was alive. Yeah, but I don't think he handled or said it properly because he kind of just blurted it out now. Oh, QMB doesn't want to play. Like that's how
Yeah,
he said
just
it,
how he
right?
said it. No, I just don't wanna
That's
play.
how
No
he said
PR
it.
in
I think
mind
that's
no? Parang,
Wala,
just
ayaw
say
nila, yun
whatever I
lang.
wanna say.
Bro, he didn't want to play. He doesn't want to play with us. Yung kay Kai Soto, binigyan niya ng dahilan. Sabi niya, oh, Kai just came back from injury. So maybe they're worried about that. By the way, guys, Kai Soto's an absolute monster in Koshigaya. He's an absolute monster. But
Maybe a chance? No.
I don't know
No, no,
about
no, 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 no.
but yeah. But
Euroleague
dude,
sana.
Euro maybe. I wouldn't mind
Euro.
Euro. I wouldn't mind Euro, if I'm being honest. But yeah, I just truly doubt na that somebody's saying that he's dealing in bad faith or that that they're making him play in random stuff. I doubt it, man, and I guess we won't really have any knowledge about it. But dude, QMB, for the people who are saying that QMB is using it as a means to become a local to gain Asian status, I don't think I think that's kind of rude, if I'm being honest, man. I don't think that is a fair thing to say about QMB. Kasi I mean, I understand where they're coming from, but you're kind of just judging that guy's character. When in reality, it could very well just be a different reason, man.
Hey Mar, didn't we interview
Yeah.
Q like 2, 3 times no
You?
UAAP? I think we interviewed him twice. I interviewed him 3 times back nung nasa UAAP siya. Easily I think top 3 in terms of the easiest
Character.
guys to talk to.
Yeah.
Easiest guys to talk to, very genuine. At least this is from my 3 interactions with him in in both losses and wins.
Yeah.
Same guy.
Bro,
Di ba
he's a
usually
nice
nag-iiba
guy.
ugali pag talo? May ibang taong
Yeah.
ganun. Siya hindi. Consistent, mabait, nagbibigay, maayos yung sagot. So, parang wala sa character niya eh. Na,
Exactly.
yeah. So for me,
Do you think Mario?
Hey,
Because we
we're all
talked
in
about
white. You guys were all in white.
yeah,
oh
yeah.
yeah,
I
hindi
mean,
siya
bro,
pala
I mean,
actually, yeah.
it's Chinese New Year. It's Chinese New
Actually,
Year,
Yeah,
so you
man.
have
tapos dapat
Backstreet
nag-rent
Boys.
tayo.
yeah,
You know?
you're right.
Yeah. Well.
No, I was curious, because you mentioned Coach Tim. Does it play a role because we talked about this nung SEA Games. What do you call this? Lumawak yung yung pool di ba? With Coach Norman. Ang lawak ng pool,
Ah,
man. And then ito na naman
Special
tayo
case yun
sa
eh. Feel ko special case yun, game. That's a special case eh.
okay.
but Q
Yeah,
didn't play there.
He was
I know.
supposed to play there.
I
Pero
know, but
sinabi,
still the players are willing to be lined up to be tested when it's not Coach Tim. At least for the past 2 tournaments that we are seeing. Do you think that still plays a role? Because Coach Tim is the GOAT of Philippine basketball, but he does not get along with some players, right? Christian Stan Hardinger, they won a couple of championships. End of the day, si Stan still left. Nag-clash sila. I don't know if there's another guy that I can think of right now, pero for sure, meron siya talagang mga hindi nakaka-get along na trade at some point in their career, even at their peak rather. Stan is the best that I can think of. Pero do you think that plays a role na maybe nung last the last time QMB wore our uniform, our national team uniform, that you know the vibes were off or something?
Man, you're talking about a coach who's all about the culture.
yes,
So,
it's all about the culture, the coach guy.
bro, Pat Riley on steroids yan, bro.
Yeah.
Like,
What worries me kasi is not only Gilas, man, but remember, we're kind of hoping that he lands in Ginebra. But now we have
bro, he
Mike,
just
so
signed with
that's
Japan.
okay. I know,
Just,
I
Yeah, who's
know.
with Chiba? Chiba pa, number 4
I
in
know.
the
he was a good
league.
team, bro.
I know,
They're
but there
number
was a
4,
hope.
Mario.
There was a hope. I mean, at some point in his career, he may be suiting
At
up for
some
us.
point
But
in his career, yeah,
Mike
the
Phillips is
strain,
already here. Our savior is already here. But yeah, I was
dude,
just worried.
the strain maybe on the relationship would be a thing. But here's my thing, okay? When QMB it took so long for the BSP to get QMB to become a local, diba?
SBP,
Like
man, SBP.
SB, sorry, BSP is Bangko Sentral. SB,
Central.
sorry, internet.
I mean, the BSP might
Bangko
have been
Sentral.
involved, you know?
Dude,
For all we
the
know.
SBP, bro, the SBP made so much effort to make sure that Q can become a local, diba?
Haba ng
And
process niyan.
yeah, how about the process? And they did it. And then all of a sudden they're gonna get cold feet in paying him. No, you don't just put in all that effort for somebody to not pay. It's like manliligaw ka ng girl for like 3 years. Then on your first date, you don't want to bring her out anywhere. You know what I mean? Like you're gonna
Yeah.
pay. You're making an effort to do all that. So I doubt talaga um na that they don't want to pay Q. I think in terms of maybe yung kay Coach Tim, I think medyo may pagkainis si Coach Tim sa
Sure
mga
nainis
players
yun,
na
bro. Sure nainis yun.
yeah, but I mean like
Oo,
I think he
inirelease
has
niya
a
statement.
certain anger towards players that he isn't very familiar with yet. And so their leashes are much shorter for Coach Tim. Like who else? I don't really have a main example for you right now. But yeah, I think Graham, you could be right. Maybe last time he played, Coach Tim did like the vibes, or maybe Coach Tim saw na, oh dude, we can win without him. That's why he's treating him that way. But then if you ask me, man, Q is a major piece. Because let's be real. Junmar is getting older.
Yeah.
Number 25 on Hinebra is getting
Oh, I'm afraid that's my biggest uh
No. Bounty's
worry.
gonna be there.
Okay. Okay,
Bounty's
good.
gonna be there. So I feel
Alright.
like we're
put
gonna see
Alright.
Balti in
Bounty.
Balti in the international stage plays the 3-4. Eh.
Or
Like
I think
but
Coach
that
Tim would
was
rather.
that was under Coach Tab though. That was under Coach
Yeah,
Tab.
yeah.
So yeah, very well could be wrong. But I'm glad Balti's in the roster. But I think for this window, Q won't play. I think that's fairly obvious right now. But if it's in terms of a contract or whatever and whatever, I just let it be until somebody. I feel like QMB wants to play, brother. That's what I'm gonna say. I feel like Q
Hmm.
wants to play. You
I
can't tell
agree.
me he does not want to play. He does. You don't just go through all that for him not to play. He wants to play. I think the SBP wants him to play. Something has to be blocking it. I don't know what it could be, but I know he wants. I feel like he really wants to play.
Bro, long hair pa ba si Q sa Chivas?
Ano
Wow.
siya, yung parang mini
Yeah.
ponytail, mini
It.
pigtail
Yeah. He's pigtailed
na
Q
mini,
right now.
not
Yeah.
ano.
Oh,
Yeah.
isn't that the same hairdo of si Stan? Maybe
No,
Coach Tim
he's.
has a
He
thing against, men.
To be fair, you know who else had that same hairstyle? Dave Marcelo. Dave,
What?
Dave used to have that.
wala namang
Wala
klaseng
namang ganun yun.
impact,
Hindi naman
wala namang,
humaba ng ganun yung kay Dave. Humaba
hindi,
ba ng ganun kay Dave?
humaba ng ganun.
Nagka-man bun si Dave.
Oh, maybe Coach Tim
Nagka-man bun
is,
si Dave.
maybe Coach Tim
Na-flashback.
is your high school teacher na parang, ba't ang haba ng buhok mo? And then, if you don't obey, then you'll get some punishment.
Bakit si Abay naman, hawakan niya na mahaba yung buhok.
Yeah, but that's Junmar Fajardo, bro.
No,
That's
you're
Junmar.
right.
In FIBA?
Hey, man.
You're right.
All I'm
Bro,
saying is, I'm not gonna defend Junmar in the post. That's all I'm gonna say. Dude,
yeah.
Well,
Bro,
yeah.
yeah.
man, ang sakit nito kasi, remember nung against Guam, we were campaigning for Coach Tim to experiment, di ba? That's why we were
He did. He
lobbying
experimented with
for Juan Gomez de Leano na bakit di mo sinama si Juan? This is the perfect time to integrate him sa triangle. Now we're against Australia and New Zealand, bro. I mean, your best lineup should be sent. And then we lost. I still will lean towards Junmar, but the second best big man that you can get right now. Um, mabigat yun, bro. Mabigat yun because we're against, countries na will give us belt to ass with one mistake in a 2 minute
Bro,
span.
I did a little research kasi before I went on. Yeah, guys, I actually did research before I
Oh,
went.
wow, Raven. That's
Oh.
new. First
Yeah,
time I
actually
heard
did.
that.
So, I was checking out the lineup for um
Austin, New Zealand.
for the upcoming window because maybe Coach Tim believes na hindi kailangan masyado ng big for this. For New Zealand, they're not big. They have, I think, Sam Menenga. Sam Menenga's a four who can shoot and post up, but then he's all right. Not the best. And then you have yung Tohi Smith Milner, who's the um Toby Smith Milner is that guy who killed us also last.
He can
I think
shoot
that killed.
also.
Yeah, Toby's the one who I think it was 2 tournaments ago. I'm not sure. 2 or 3 tournaments ago was when Toby Smith Milner was the like yung
Tinadabatan na tayo
pamatay
niyan.
na. Huh?
That was the time that they defeated us. Kasi tinalo natin sila with Brownlee, di ba? In New
Before
Zealand.
that, before that pa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but then if I'm wrong, because I looked at this lineup for New Zealand, they don't have Tyrell Harrison this time. Tyrell Harrison's the center, plays for Brisbane in the NBL. Tyrell Harrison's their main center. They replaced him with this guy called Ty Wynyard, who is not really a known player yet, or maybe he's coming in. He's coming
Didn't
in
he play
quite
for
young or whatever.
Kentucky? Ty Wynyard.
Ty
Was
Wynyard,
he?
I'm so sorry. I'm really not sure. He
Ty
played the
Wyn.
last time they faced off. He played
He was Kentucky.
so
Yeah.
he played in the last window against the Philippines. But this is not the strongest centers. These are not the strongest centers that New Zealand can put out, not even close to it. So I understand maybe why Coach Tim is just like, oh yeah, we can use Balti because I think Balti is a good replacement for Q. But then it's still not the strongest New Zealand lineup. So I think that helps there. But then when you go to Australia, Australia's the one who yun talaga medyo dehado ka with or
Is
without
Hickey playing? Si Hickey?
Dave Hickey, yeah, Dave Hickey's gonna play.
Okay, got it.
Dave Hickey plays for Australia. But then again, the Australia lineup is quite big. Yan yung problema ko. David Okwera is a tall, lanky forward to center. But then, in this one as well, they lost Will Magnay. Okay, Will Magnay is the main center for is usually their main center. They don't have Will Magnay this window. This is based on the website. I don't know if this website is wrong or whatever. Actually, it very well could be wrong. Wait, give me a second. Joke lang. No, tama naman. Never mind, I was wrong. Will Magnay is injured right now. So Will Magnay is injured for Australia. I think something happened with his knee or whatever. But then against guys like Jordy Hunter. Jordy Hunter is a 7-footer, big, can shoot the 3-point shot. Jack White, I think Jack White plays in Japan. And then this guy is the one who's my biggest problem, si Keanu Pinder. Keanu Pinder is a versatile forward. Parang Zave Lucero and a much better Zave Lucero. So I think against Australia is where you will really miss QMB, especially if you don't have Kai again. Kai is the major loss talaga here. AJ Edu I think will have a major thing to fill, but this is my point again for the BSBP. Tama.
The SBP, man.
The SVP is that knowing who they're about to face and knowing how good these people are who they're about to face, walang sense na they won't give him an offer. So something is genuinely blocking him from entering it. You know, we have our suspicions, but then we don't really know what it's gonna be. So, uh, Q I think is sorely really missed in this tournament specifically because you don't have Kai again, and then you're going up against Australia, who even without their best big is still a very very big team.
Bro, yung ano ko dun sa New Zealand, even if wala yung best bigs nila, is QMB, hindi naman siya yung Junmar Fajardo type na, okay, dahil maliit yung lineup ng kabila, may iwan siya on pick and rolls. Q is very mobile, di ba? Hindi siya yung kagaya ni Junmar. So, I mean, having Q sa New Zealand game, that's where he could possibly eat. Kasi nga, dun sa Australia game, with the big names that you mentioned, dun medyo mapapalaban talaga siya. I mean, this is probably his best opportunity to have his best game in a Gilas uniform. Dahil hindi siya madali exploit on pick and roll defense or sa mga switch. So, sayang talaga kasi I mean, I think we're underdogs against both of them, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
New
Yes.
Zealand and Australia, even though we already defeated New Zealand once sa Moa Arena with Justin Brownlee. By the way, we still have a chance because we have Justin Brownlee. But all I'm saying is sayang kasi this would have been the perfect opportunity for him to cook, di ba? But you know, it is what it is. Talagang they weren't able to to set aside siguro some feelings. I do believe na money played a role in this
Really though, but I mean, like you think
yeah.
they're gonna cheap out now after getting him all the way here?
It could be that
I don't think it's cheap. I don't think it's cheap. I think it's
masyadong
too
mataas
high.
yung yeah.
Doon tayo sa
Maybe
point na yun na
yeah,
But do you-
maybe
Okay, here's my question for you guys. Is the offer too high na based
Okay.
on what QMB wants?
The
Or is
Based
the
on-
offer too high based on other things outside of it?
okay, based on what I'm seeing, $12,000 for 2 games. It's too
That
high,
is
bro.
USD,
what? Times 60.
That's too high. So, okay. $12,000 USD.
That's 720,000 pesos if we
No
base it
naman,
by
no.
60.
695,000 pesos. For 2 games, you're getting paid roughly 350
That's
per game.
his asking price.
That's
That's
according
the
to what I'm
reported
seeing.
asking price.
The reported asking price.
Oh, brother.
Hindi. So si SBP, mapapaano talaga?
Brother, I'm
Because
sorry.
the SBP still has to pay the other players. Di ba?
Brother, I don't know any player who's worth 400K a game. Name me a single player who's worth 400K a game. Oh
Sa
no, sorry,
Gilas
350.
na.
Clarkson lang si Brown lang babayaran ko ng 400 again.
Yeah,
I
Brownlee.
might not even pay Brownlee 400K a game,
Wow,
brother.
wow. This guy's so ungrateful, man.
Dude, I'd pay him 250. I'd pay him 250.
Oh, wow.
300
Yeah,
naman siguro.
yeah.
300 naman.
SBP,
Like
if
what he
there's a
has done na.
position, Mario's not that guy. If there's a position to fill, Mario's not that guy, man.
Bro,
This guy's
400K
cheap as F.
per game? Per game? Come on, dude. That's a lot. That's a whole lot of money for a single game, man.
Bro, that's Justin Brownlee.
Oh my, I thought we were still talking about QMB. No, dude, if it's
Yeah,
Brownlee,
no, but you still won't pay Brownlee 350?
I'd pay him 250, 300. Bro, I don't
Oh,
think
all
any
right.
player in the world, except if you're like, I want to say LeBron. Like, dude, I don't know, it's just expensive for a 48-minute game. But you know, if you have the money to spend, you have the money to spend. But in any case, I don't think just to be real, I don't think Q is worth the 400 a game, 350 a game. That's a lot. That's a lot. Especially
Yeah.
for a second string, third string maybe. Depending on
Who's
how
the
you
second string?
yeah, AJ.
Yeah, you're right.
It depends on who you run at your second string. Doesn't really matter. But that's a lot of money, man. That's a hell of a lot of money. I doubt QMB would ask for that much. Like he was earning less in UP. Whatever.
What? They earning something in UP? Okay, no, my bad.
Oh, sorry. My bad.
Who's
What?
surprised?
My bad. My
no.
They
bad.
earn in the UAAP? Oh.
What? Sorry.
Are
Don't
they
they just
allowed to
get
do
don't they just get education out of that?
Okay, alright. No, education kasi is priceless, kaya that's
I
okay.
Ayun ang
like
ba
it.
yun?
I like it. Sign
No,
him,
I mean,
PRUAP.
the
Sign him.
agent may play a role kasi
I think the agents
the
play.
the what do you call this? I mean, in the NBA, di ba? The agents really play a big role sa contract negotiations. Again, I'm not familiar with the Philippine setting, pero if the agent is the one na nagbubuyo kay QMB to ask that much,
Brother, please. Tigil mo na yun.
then yeah, that's not a good thing. But if it's QMB is asking that, then brother, you may you may want to reconsider your life choices, bro. You're
I'm gonna
burning
say
bridges.
this. I respect, if Q believes he's worth that much. If he really wants to only play for that price, wala tayong magagawa. But
Mhm.
dude, if you meet Q, you'd know, man. He's not asking for this much to play per game, man.
Exactly.
He
Kaya babalik ako sa agent. I don't think it's Q.
Yeah, it can't be Q. It just can't. And we've talked to Nico's talked to Q a few times, and I talked to him once. Maybe.
Yeah, ako
Like,
3 times. I interviewed him 3 times.
Bro, he's a nice guy. He is not. He 400K, 350K for a game. I don't think even Q would ask for that. I don't know. I just can't.
Yeah,
I can't fathom
I
it.
agree.
Fathom it,
What
brother.
about Balti, man? I mean,
Yeah, welcome back. Nice to see you back, bro.
it's
Out of nowhere,
ano,
no? Water under the
Wait,
bridge.
Let's ask the question, guys. Do you think Juan and Balti get lined up?
Feel ko si Balti, oo. Si Juan,
Yeah.
hindi. Hindi ulit si Juan.
Hindi pa rin si Juan, dude.
Hindi pa rin si Juan.
Hindi ba nakalimot na si Coach Tim? Tinalo na nila eh. I don't know.
No. It's more of they lost a big. They don't have
Did they?
I
Q.
know.
The guards
Didn't
are still the
they-
same.
Wasn't the tournament after they beat Converge?
Tapos, no,
What?
this
What do
was
you mean?
When Juan, I'm sorry, when Juan was trying to get in, but then we were saying na
Hindi.
talaga
Bago
they
pa
get-
mag-playoffs yun.
Bago pa
pa
mag-playoffs yun,
mag-playoffs
sorry.
Oo.
Eh,
Bandang November yun. Man, if I have a choice, I mean, the logical choice is Balti kasi 'di ba? We lost the big. we only have a few, wala nga si Kai. But
Oh
ang
yeah.
hirap palampasin ni Juan, bro, kasi I remember 1984, the Portland Trail Blazers are looking for the second draft pick. They have Michael Jordan. But they want a center. So someone said, doesn't matter, just play Michael Jordan at center. So maybe you can say the same thing about Juan Gomez Diliano because he's just so good. But it may be me having the Juan Gomez Diliano bias because I really like him. Pero
Would you rather they line up Juan or RJ?
this is not the All-Star draft, di ba? Juan.
Ah, yeah.
Juan is a better defender than RJ.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So we're being
He
honest.
is, di ba?
I like it.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
he
Okay.
is.
Okay.
Love
I'm glad.
RJ though. I have his
Hey
jersey.
man, whatever it is, man, we're gonna be there to watch it. Hopefully, hopefully.
Ay, oo nga, no? Oh, yeah, sana.
Yeah,
Yeah,
hopefully,
hinihintay
man.
ko pa. Nag-send ko na applications natin. So, it has to go through the
I won't be there for
Wala ka there
It
for
has to
New
go to the
Zealand, bro.
FIBA portal.
Yeah, I won't be there for New Zealand, but I'll be there in time if we get for Australia. And FIBA, we're friends, okay? We're not enemies. Watch the rest of our episodes. We've
Yeah.
always talked highly about y'all.
To be very voiced. Hey, the one thing I will say about FIBA, if the tip-off says 10 a.m., that ball is in the air at 10 a.m., man. I'm
Yeah.
just...
Yeah, international referees are strict talaga.
Dude, I
Kahit sa
remember when
volleyball.
Nico and I watched nung against Dominican Republic, that thing was on the dot, thrown in the air.
On the dot, no? Binuksan ko yung watch ko. Sabi ko,
Yeah.
11, parang 7:29. Pagka 7:30, pak! Nag-play yung
Sakto
music.
7:30 nasa area yung bola. I was like, okay, man.
Filipino time doesn't work sa
Sa
ganyan.
FIBA, iba yung nagpapatakbo eh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But yeah, man. Hey, if it's Q's agent, whoever's watching this, just let the man put on the jersey. Just let the
Hindi
guy
pa
put
huli
on.
ang lahat. Hindi pa huli ang lahat, man.
Oh man, just let the guy put on the jersey. And here's if you want your stock to increase, if you're Q, this is the time, brother. With barely with the main backup center out again, not in backup, with the main center out again in Kai, with two centers, one from New Zealand and one from Australia, both dealing with injury. This is your time for Q's agent to buff up his stock. I think he only signed 1 year in Chiba. So if he does well here, if he shows out well here, he could get a bigger contract with another Japanese team or even with Chiba again. So man,
Or NBL, di ba?
yeah, yeah, I think he could go to the NBL.
The NBL of Australia, hindi sa Philippines. Kasi may
Yeah,
NBL
yeah.
din dito.
I'm just saying, man. If Carl Tamayo, Kevin Kiambao, and these Korea boys have no problem with the salary they're being paid, my guy, just the offer has to the offer is probably fair because Carl and KQ are, in my opinion, in my genuine opinion, they are way deserving of good spots and good salaries for
And
this
diba,
team.
if he's really, and the fact na sinabi rin ni Coach Tim is a big part of this team, sa tingin mo, hindi nila aalagaan yan. Something's fishy, may hindi nagaano. So,
Yeah.
most likely,
Something ain't
ako,
clicking then.
something ain't clicking. May, feel ko, there's a thorn here na,
Someone's playing the Yoko Ono role here.
Bro, and do we know Coach
No,
Tim to be somebody to
Yoko Ono
throw
is the one
shade?
who
Do, do we know
You
Coach
don't know
Tim as
Yoko Ono?
I do not know Yoko Ono. Who knows that dude?
All right. No, that's John Lennon's wife who allegedly
Ah,
was
yeah,
the
yeah,
one.
no, you're
The
right, you're right.
reason
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Beatles, di ba, broke up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, is that the reason why?
I mean,
I
that's
just
that's what that's what some people say.
Bro, I remember, I remember what it's called. I wrote a paper on John Lennon's Imagine, and I remember reading about Yoko Ono, and
Yeah,
I
right.
saw that whole thing, but there is an issue about it. I just didn't know what it was.
hindi ko rin gets yung issue na yun.
Okay. All right. Then you're missing a
The
lot. But
issue at hand is if that man is wearing a Gilas jersey, and I sure as hell hope he does. Maybe in the next win. Is there another window after this? I'm so sorry.
May isa pa after this one. I don't know, I just don't know
Yeah.
when, pero meron pa isa.
We'll be on the
That's
road na ata for that, di ba? Window.
Oh, hindi na tayo home. We won't be home no more.
Hey man, whatever it is. Either way, man. We're the
Let the
underdogs
guy play.
in both
Let the guy
situations.
play.
I'm sure we'll make videos before the games itself, about each team and how we match up. But yeah, man, Q's agent, listen up, brother. Maybe it ain't as
Step aside for a second, man.
yeah, let's calm it down a little bit, man. Because if right now Gilas needs Q, especially without Kai.
Absolutely.
Speaking of Kai, do you guys buy yung kay Kai? Yung sa
I
injury
feel
niya.
really feel like it's his injury management. I feel like
That's fair,
rather
but he plays
spine.
he plays in all the games for Koshigaya na now. So what's the difference?
They wanted to
Well,
pay his dues, man. Like, imagine if he gets
Yeah,
hurt in Gilas. Di ba?
yeah,
Ano na
yeah,
naman, they're the one paying his salary.
yeah. That's
So
fair.
parang in a way, may
Yeah,
utang na loob siya rin dun na parang bawi ako sa inyo ha, tagal ko na wala eh. Laki-laki na babayad
hindi
niyo sa
ko
akin
hindi niyo ako
salary.
binitawan, di ba?
Oo.
yeah, that's true.
Because they can just let go of them, di ba? Mario, may mga ganun. They just
Yeah.
That's
let
right.
go. Sa
I think
KBL
that's
nga lang,
more of a Korean thing. Yung
yung
kung
wala talagang ano, no? Like, wala
pigs.
talagang remorse. Ah, injured ka, bye. Ito na yung
Yeah.
kapalit mo. Pinoy din.
So, yeah, it depends on the team talaga. Yung sa Mobis, they let go of Migs. Pero I think medyo maayos naman yun. And then yung kay JD, Busan is taking care of him.
Even though
Suwon
na
is
they
taking
let
care
him
of
go.
him.
Even though they let him go.
Si Migs, yeah. Si kay JD Kagulangan,
Is he
I
still
think
there?
so.
Did he,
JD, yeah, in Suwon?
no, I mean, he didn't get released yet.
No, no, no.
No? No,
I don't
parang
think
wala
so.
pang balita.
Yeah, no, no. He didn't
Check mo
get
na
it.
lang later.
Si Migs pa lang yung na-let go na na-injure. By the way, man, this has nothing to do with that topic, but there are some dudes in the KBL who are just not getting the minutes. Will Navarro doesn't even touch the court anymore.
Yeah,
Uh,
parang 5 minutes a game na lang. 5-8? Diba? Parang ganun, Mario. O DNP.
yeah,
Five
some
Ban
to
ba siya
eight,
sa
mga
ano?
ganun
DNPs,
eh.
some
Ban ba siya sa
DNPs.
sa PVL tuloy? PBA?
I don't know if he's gonna come
Oh,
back, but I wish he would come
Doesn't the
back.
3-year rule apply to Will?
Does the 3-year rule apply to them? I'm not super sure. Maybe, probably. I know it applies to
If it
James.
does, then he doesn't have much options. He chose
Yeah, I
that
just
life.
feel bad. Dude, even Jake Figueroa, I don't think Jake really touches the court for
Yeah.
Mobis either. The only guys who talagang get minutes dun sa Japan rosters nila, SJ Benangel, I miss SJ on Gilas, but we'll never, probably won't see him for a while. Carl's injured, by the way. Carl's injured. Is he playing in this window? Would you
Carl?
guys
wala
know?
namang sinabing excluded siya as of
Yeah.
right now.
We would
He
have
doesn't
heard for
play right
sure.
now for Changwon eh. It's been like a while since he's played for Changwon. So,
So I don't know. Well, the point is, okay lahat ng kontrata ng Gilas boys natin except for one guy.
exactly, yeah, exactly.
Kasi
So,
ba, there should be a trend eh.
I really doubt
Kung
all
yung
of a
mga
sudden.
international players ayaw, yun yung makita mong okay, may problema
Yeah,
nga.
exactly. If so many players are having contract problems, yan, sige, I can fully blame SBP.
Yeah,
Yeah,
tama.
tama.
Yeah,
I can fully
SBP.
blame SBP. But if it's just one, and then yung mga main guys mo are vibing, I don't know, man. I just don't see it making much sense.
Yeah.
And that's
Someone's
why I will
playing a
ask the
role.
question na nga. Kayo, guys, let me know what you think in the comments about the whole QMB situation. Is it Q? Is it the agent? Is it SBP? Feel free to have a good conversation below. And as always, we have a Facebook group.
Join
6-month
it.
podcast dash bench mob. Sali kayo, masaya ang mga conversations natin. And like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify. See you all in the
Wait,
next time. Till then.
wait.
Yes!
Before we go, guys, we are gonna do the volleyball content sa UAAP.
Yeah,
Oh
pipivot
yeah.
It's
kami.
just that we're because obviously not much UAAP basketball right now, but you guys gotta give us some people kasi message me personally asking ano na if we're gonna post an episode.
We
Give us
will,
a
we
little
will.
yeah, we will, but give us a little time and like bearing on the volleyball scene kasi medyo it's not really something that we are knowledgeable about, but then we're not as great with it as we are with basketball. Even
Yeah.
and that's to say that we're pretty bad at basketball.
I mean you, not me.
And that's to say that so give us a little bit of time. We'll probably
We'll be
get there
there
by
though. We may be there though sa Sunday. Like
hey, if you guys
Sundays.
see us, yeah. I will be there on Sunday, Samoa.
Yeah.
Hit me up if you guys are there. But yeah, we'll get to that, guys. I promise we will. We promise we really will get to UAAP volleyball content. Just give us a little bit of
We'll
time.
try.
Yeah.
Okay lang naman. See you guys next time. Peace.
Adios, amigos.
Happy Chinese New Year.
Oh yeah, Happy Chinese New
Yeah.
Year.
Happy Chinese New Year.
Wait, saan na yung stop?
Shit, oh.
Bro, end this
Wait,
shit.
wait.